So this looks pretty cool, and if you say otherwise, then you're lying. Because I mean, look at it. But anyway, let me show you how it's done.
In the darkest hour, I wanna come for you. I know you've been alone.
So on top of that crispy intro, this is a pretty crispy setup, and this is a two-part video, black part and white part. But before you start skipping, just hold on, alright, just wait. You need this custom icon pack, and that is linked below alongside the custom wallpaper for both the white and black, plus different colors as well on the rest of my website. So you should go check that out. It's all linked below. The description is like your best friend here, so yeah. Now, I designed these icons, you're welcome, but heads up, if you want me to make a few custom icons of your choice, then there is a version of that, which I can do that for both the black and white version. They're linked below. So yeah, just click the link, you'll see a set of instructions on how to choose your custom icons. But yeah, like I said, description, your best friend. Now, anyway, this white setup, this is how I set up my iPhone 12. So yeah, let me take you through that. Now for the white setup, I would choose a set of white widgets. Now you can choose any white widget, just make sure you're on light mode because that makes a difference, not on dark mode. And then for example here, I just chose one extra widget and added it to the home screen. You don't need to do the exact same layout as me, I just thought that looked best. Now, after getting the icons, press download again, and then head into the downloads in the top right corner. Click on the file that you just downloaded, it will take you to the downloads in your files app. Open the zip by clicking on it, and then that's all you gotta do. Now, open the shortcuts app. Once you've done that, press add at the top right so you can add a new shortcut. What you're doing here is you're creating an icon. Alright, choose scripting, open app, choose, and then choose the app that you want to open. So I want to open up Instagram. 3 dots, just name your shortcut, and then I got rid of a label because I don't want it to be labeled on the home screen. Choose a file, go into the downloads, make sure you're in downloads, open that folder, and go into the search, and then search up Instagram or whatever app it is. The website shows which apps are included in the icon pack. Done all of that, just do that for like a billion other apps. Here you can see I got Snapchat, you got Netflix, you got a bunch of other apps, like if I try and remember, Uber, you got food apps, you got Domino's, by the way. Obviously all the Apple stock apps, Google apps as well. But if you want something specific, don't forget you have that custom option linked below. But yeah, after you do it, that's what it's gonna look like. And you can just do this for all the icons that you want and then leave the rest in your app library in the right hand side. And that's about it. Very simple, very clean, very elegant. Now, for the black setup. So that white setup, pretty crispy. The black thing is literally the exact same process, so you can just apply that with the black icons. But you know, whatever, watch it as well if this is the one you're going to be doing. So, very nice. You got the matte black wallpaper on my website. If you want a darker version of the black, I have a true black version, so that's like actually black, but I don't recommend using that one because the icons are black and then you can't see the outline of the icons. So yeah, that matte version is just a little bit lighter, but it looks true black, and as you can see, it works out really well. Now obviously I'm just trying to get some of that crispy B-roll in there, but this is how I set up my iPhone 12 Pro. Now let me take you through it. So very similar setup. I had a bunch of dark widgets on the home screen, and to do that you have to have your dark mode on and then just choose whatever widgets you want. And as an example, I chose stocks because that was a dark widget. But then this is my layout. You don't have to do this layout. I just thought it looked best because it's a minimal amount of icons and it's a lot of work to do it. Everything else is in the app library. But then once on the website, press download again, and then in the top right corner of Safari, head into your downloads and then click on the file that you just downloaded, and then open a zip file by just clicking on it. That folder there, that's very important. But now just head back, open the shortcuts app, and we're going to create a new shortcut for every app. So press add, scripting, open app, and then choose the app that you want to choose. For example, I'm going to choose Snapchat, and then click on that app. 3 dots at the top right, name your shortcut, it doesn't matter at all, then add to home screen, and I turn the labels off because I don't want an icon label underneath my app. Press choose file, open that folder in the downloads that we did, and then search for the icon that you want. Snapchat is our example here, and then it's on the home screen. Very simple. Now you need to do this for like every app, which is why I like to keep it minimal and throw the rest into the app library. I'd say 8 icons per page, but you know, tons of icons, Google icons, Apple icons, and this is overall what you're gonna get. So yeah, I think it looks really cool, really clean. I got a ton of other wallpapers, whether you want different colors. I got a blue, gray, blue, whatever, you know, it's cool. You should check out more on the website, link below, best friend. Now if you're looking for protection for any one of your iPhone 12s, Pro, 12, Mini, Max, then Crispyyy have sent me a really nice set of minimal cases. You got the matte blue minimal case, a slim matte black minimal case, and then you got a clear case. Me personally, not really a fan of clear cases, and I'm generally not really a case guy, but if I was a case guy, I would be putting one of these on my phone. Probably the black one. Adds a nice amount of protection while not being bulky, looking good, and remaining pretty low profile. Anyway, I quite like these matte cases, and they're linked below if you're interested. They work with MagSafe, by the way. And by the way, I will be giving away all 3 of these cases to a lucky winner, and to enter, you only have to do 4 things. Number 1, give this video a like. Number 2, subscribe to the channel. Number 3, leave a comment saying hashtag I want this case. And don't forget to tag your Instagram because I need a way of contacting you if you win. And talking about Instagram, the final thing you have to do is follow me on Instagram. That's all you do. Once you've done that, you're set, you're in. And by the 22nd of December, I will have contacted the winner of this giveaway. But anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already because it really helps me out. I'm trying to get 10K by the end of the year. Like and comment help with the algorithm too, if you could do that. And check out my Instagram at El-Naggar because you get a lot of tech on your feed, a behind the scenes perspective, and you get to see me work my magic. So yeah, go do that. Description as well. Remember, best friend. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Salam.